Oh, he had an Ocelot
Oh,
mask.
shit.
I want an Ocelot mask or
Bro, this adventure is annoying as fuck.
actually I want an Elder.
Buy debuff. Let's quick drop him real quick.
Nah, that also is better.
He's by the trap.
I'm gonna get slowness and give it to him. Alright, where is he?
Oh, I can see his gold hearts on my baby mod. What the fuck? I did not know that.
Where is he? Where is he? Oh, he's right there.
He's fucking me up. Holy shit.
Sorry, hacking. That's fine. Alright, slowness in my slowness.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's hacking. He's hacking.
Hacking.
Ooh, ooh. I just recorded that.
Did we just get owner?
Yeah, he's hacking like a bitch. Yo, just get one of the staff members while
I know.
yeah. I could just keep potting. Oh, hold up, I'll do it. Slash staff.
No. I'm messing zero.
You only want me cause my life's televised. But what if I put on a disguise for the night? And I can see all the lies in your eyes.
Oh, what? He doesn't have E or TP. He's trying to TP.
I said, yeah, I already sent him TPA here to him already. Oh, yo, jump on sugar.
Wait, what?
The hell is this guy doing? Yo, hit him into the. Oh, you're wild for going into that shit. Is that their claims?
No idea.
Oh yeah, it is their claims. Be careful.
Where'd the guy go? He told me to start running.
Oh, just Zero's right here. Oh, he left. He left already.
Xfinity home, you would actually just call 1-800-Xfinity and
Oh fuck! I just messaged the dude his fucking name.
you got routed to me and you're like, no, I just was home for
If anything, I can record it, but I mean, I recorded it, but I mean, I'm kind of lazy. Plus, it's an adventure, so I don't really care. If it was a rank, then I would care.
You don't speak no evil like I'm overseas. Gotta make you smash out. I got niggas in the sad
I'll
life.
be back
I know
from
they
this
ain't about to
shower.
rat all on me.
Should come back to the trap, I think.
so Wednesday, I've got an 8 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Oh, he's not even here. Oh yeah, he's right here.
Oh yeah. Oh, he just left. He just left.
No, he's right here.
Oh no. Yeah, I'm gonna combat tag him.
Oh, he's
I got a
bringing me
mass
into the trees.
fragment.
Yeah, he's probably gonna.
Yeah, he's gonna bring me in the trees and kill me. He's so fucking hacking, bro. Holy shit. The toggling is what he's doing.
EP, bro.
Go. Warren, no. Go.
Where'd you guys go? Oh, you guys are right here.
Yeah, he doesn't even have good gear on, bro.
I already sent Josiro a request. I don't know. He's taking his sweet ass time.
Do you think we're ever gonna get that hill flattened out by mod?
No idea. Mintrix said he's not gonna do it. I don't fucking know. I doubt it. Unless you get fucking mad on or somebody. I don't fucking know.
Call first for 415.
He's so bad and he's toggling, bro. Holy shit.
Why don't you ask? I guess.
I know he's so bad. I'm just watching. I'm watching him. He's so bad. Purling away.
He's so fucking bad, bro.
Yeah, watch him TP yes right now, bro. I wonder if he's anti-slow. Yeah, his killer is so bad. Okay, I slowed him. Should be slow. Yeah, he slowed. Oh, now he's not. What the
Literally latching onto us. What the fuck?
fuck? Oh my god.
Send me an email address and you don't have all the junk mail. So like 6 months later.
It's gonna drop. Oh no, it's not. What the fuck, bro? This lag. Is it lag or is it just him?
Nah,
It's lag. It's
it's
lag.
lag. Ew, he's lagging too. You saw that? Yikes. Yeah, I like spam just 0, so I doubt he's coming anymore. So, I'm gonna see if I can get another staff member.
Oh, I'm fucked. This lag is fucking me up.
Oh shit. Yo, what the? Why is that? Oh, I'm fucked. Yo, can someone TP on me?
Oh no,
Yeah.
no, my pots are lagging. My pots are lagging. I'm fucked.
Everything's like.
Oh no, I'm coming.
Shit.
You chilling, you chilling.
Oh, fuck that. I'm not gonna die to that. Bro. Fuck that shit.
What do I do with a mass fragment?
Bro,
I
I
usually
hate
just
this.
I usually just head flip them until I lose. You need a lot for them to be like significant or useful. Oh, is he actually coming in here?
Like that.
He said he has no speed. He said he has no speed. Don't fight him.
Took that long for truces to actually help. God damn, I was just getting like beaten by Senap, like right in front of them, water glitched.
He said, "Bring back your boyfriend." Fuck.
Yikes.
That
He's
is
legit hacking and talking trash. Like what? This guy definitely gets no bitches. Ooh, I have no money for that. No, I'm broke. I have to sell somebody's head. This head's worth 1K? Yikes, I'm just gonna sell his. Where is he? Where'd he just go? There he is.
He's an adventurer too. He doesn't have flash. Really stay on this guy, bro.
Oh my god.
Me gap.
Or he can just eat and run. I think is what he's doing. Oh no, he's not.
I think he's just flying, bro. For a second, it looked like he was just flying.
Oh, he's lagging. He's lagging bad.
Yeah, I wish I could run and gap at the same time.
He's not even a fact. He has nowhere to run, bro. Should have brought poison. Did he
Yeah.
pearl?
No, he's just lagging really hard.
Nah, the entire server's lagging really hard.
Nah, but this guy's like lagging even more, bro. Oh, now he pearled. He pearled over here. Oh, he's in the tree. Over here. Aha, let's go. You can't hide from me.
He said
boy.
chill. He said chill. Keep fucking him up. He said chill. Keep fucking it up. Wait, it's spin.
Oh,
No,
yeah,
it's
someone
not
broke.
spin.
Someone broke.
Wait, spin. It's not what? There's no way it's spin, bro.
Kill his ass.
Are you in the call spin?
Kill his ass.
Bro. You're fucking dumb. You're about to get banned because you were head snapping, genius. Why the fuck are you trying to fight us? Bro, this is spin. He's in the factions. This is alt account. He's fighting us on.
You sure?
Deadass. He's in the call and he's messaging me at the same time.
Alright.
I knew I recognized the cape, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, good thing